Hello friends, I am Dr. Vipul Patel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use Lavana package of open source software R programming to test simple mediation model. This is a simple mediation model that we are going to test. And if we compare it with Heist process macros for SPSS, this is model number 4. If you look at the model, we have effect of X on Y mediated through M. And if you look at the individual path, that is referred as direct effect, X has a direct effect of C on Y. Similarly, X has direct effect of A on M, and M has direct effect of B on Y. In addition to that, X has indirect effect on Y through M, that is calculated as a multiplication of path A and path B. Further, X has total effect on Y, which is nothing but summation of direct and indirect effect. In our example, we will consider dataset containing continuous measures of 3 variables: student mastery goal, their achievement, and interest. We are testing effect of mastery goal on achievement, and this relationship is mediated by interest. This is typical case of simple mediation. I will demonstrate this mediation using Lavana package of open source R, and the basic code for the same can be written as, if you look at, achievement is our dependent variable, and that is calculated as interest B multiplied into interest plus C multiplied into mastery. Similarly, interest is depending on mastery goal, that is A multiplied with mastery goal, and we have equation, we have code for direct effect and total effect. Now let's move to R programming to run this code. I have imported data into R, and now I am going to run the code. First, we need to activate the library Lavana. Let's activate it, and then we will run the code that I discussed earlier. Let's run the code. Yes, the code is run. Now we will use the SEM command with a bootstrap of 1000, and we run the model. It will take some time to execute it. Once it executed, we will run the summary command to see our output. Yes, it is executed. Now let's run the summary command to see the output. Yes, output is generated. We are interested in this regression output, and we are also interested in our indirect and total effect. I will copy this output in our presentation so that explanation will be easy. Okay, if you look at the output, interest has a direct effect of B by 0.211 on achievement, and this is significant. Similarly, mastery has direct effect on achievement, that is actually C path, by 0.362, and that is also significant. P value is less than 0.05. Mastery has a direct effect on interest by 0.770, that is also significant. If we look at our direct and total effect, mastery goal has an indirect effect by 0.162 on achievement, that is also significant, and total effect of 0.524 on achievement, and that is also significant. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy.